In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Apple Watch microphone not working. So the first solution is we have to force restart our Apple Watch. To do that, you have to press and hold down the crown and the power button at the same time until you see the Apple logo on your display. Don't release your fingers from both of buttons. It may take some moments to appear the Apple logo. Now you can release your fingers, and that's how you have to force restart your Apple Watch. Once successfully force restarted, now go ahead and check your microphone working or not. And the second solution is we have to clean our microphone port. So if you just rotate your Apple Watch between this crown and the power button, here we can see a little hole. So basically this is the microphone hole. So you can just easily clean this little hole using a soft brush or the SIM ejector tool of a smartphone or your iPhone. So just gently clean this hole to remove any dust from this microphone hole, and then go ahead and check your microphone working or not. And the next solution is we have to update our Apple Watch. To do that, press the crown to go to your app library and then tap on settings. Once you are in your settings, tap on general. Here tap on software update, and here we can see checking for update. If you see any new update available, then go ahead and just update your Apple Watch. Sometimes updating our Apple Watch can fix this kind of issues very easily. And after following these three solutions, if you're still having issues with your microphone, in this case we have to reset our all settings. To do that, go to your app library again, open settings, and this time tap on general. Under general settings, scroll down and tap on reset. Here we can see erase all content and settings. So you have to tap on that, and here just tap on erase all. That's how you have to factory reset your Apple Watch, and after that your Apple Watch microphone will still start to work again. That's it.